cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be
The
natural. I
infamous.
ain't looking tacky cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, stuck in these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon and I'm sitting. Hey guys, and welcome back to Afros and Baby Hairs. And today we are doing a braid out nighttime routine. So yeah guys, on this video I am starting out with hair that has been loose and out for about 2 or 3 days, and it's starting to shrink up. So that's how I know it's time to reset it, braid it back up, So I'm just starting off with some warm water, getting a good scalp massage in, and also to loosen up the hair. But I'm not spraying too much water because I don't want to go to bed with soaking wet hair, and plus I want my hair to stretch. That's why I love braid outs, because it gives your hair an opportunity to stretch. So once you see that it's starting to shrink back up again, it's basically a sign letting you know that it's time to replat it and reset it. So that's what we're doing in this video. I'm just showing you guys how I section off the hair, apply a little bit of product, and then just pretty much brush it out and plait it back up. I'm using my rat tail to section the hair off, and then I'm using my Denman brush to make sure that the products are properly distributed, and then just plaiting the hair up. It's a really quick and simple process, so I'm not gonna hold you guys too long. We're just speeding it through. And once I'm done with everything, I do like to go ahead and tie my hair up with a do-rag or some kind of scarf. I don't really use bonnets when I'm wearing my hair plaited because they tend to slide off. So you need something that's going to really be snug on the head. So yeah guys, this is what you'll see in the upcoming clips, is me just plaiting the hair, and then at the end you'll see what type of scarf I like to use. So yeah guys.
So yeah, guys, this is about it. I just tie the hair up with a do-rag, and then I just leave that on till the next morning, and then the next day I will unravel it and wear it in a braid out. So yeah, thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really appreciate your time and energy. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Peace and love, and as always, be blissful.
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be natural.
The infamous.
I ain't looking tacky. Cause I keep